everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you teaching my son how to clean the washing machine and tumble dryer. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I'm going to teach my son to clean the washing machine and the tumble dryer. This is a job that needs doing quite often. Our washing machine and tumble dryer are getting quite old now, so they do need cleaning quite regularly. They do get clogged up with dirt. I have made a couple of videos like this before in the past where I've cleaned them, but I just thought it'd be interesting to share my son cleaning them. And I've also agreed to pay him a little bit of money for this job, so fingers crossed once he learns how to do it he might do it without being paid next time. You never know. So yes, I just thought it'd be an interesting video to share with you. So here is how I've taught my son to clean the washing machine and tumble dryer. Firstly, I got Ted to fill up the kitchen sink with some lukewarm water, and then I added some white spirit vinegar to the sink, probably about a cupful I'd say, and then I also added some washing up liquid, and we also added a few drops of essential oil. I think it was peppermint essential oil that we added there. And then once we'd filled the kitchen sink enough, we then went to the washing machine, and the first place I like to start is the drawer, so I always like to clean the drawer first. This hasn't been cleaned for quite a few months, so it was quite mucky. Teddy's actually just getting a cloth from the cupboard under the sink, and he's going to give this drawer a really good scrub now. He did say it was a bit of an icky job. There is lots of dirt in this drawer, but he did do a very good job, so he's just going to continue to clean this drawer. Once we were satisfied that the washing machine drawer was as clean as it was going to get, we then left it to dry on the side, and we moved on to cleaning the inside of the washing machine. So Ted has a bowl of water there, but in that water again we filled it with some vinegar, some washing up liquid, and a few drops of essential oil. And then Ted cleans inside the washing machine. So he cleaned inside the drawer, and then he cleaned inside the drum as well. It does look as though he's trying to climb inside this drum, but I promise you he's not. He is honestly just cleaning it. And then once he'd cleaned the drum and the inside of the drawer, he also cleaned the door as well and around the outside of the washing machine. When Ted had finished cleaning the washing machine, he then gave it a dry with a tea towel, and he also put the tea towel on the floor because there was quite a lot of water on the floor, so he wanted to dry it off and make sure neither of us slipped over. And then he grabbed the dry washing machine drawer and he put it back into the washing machine, and then I asked him to fill the softener drawer, the softener compartment, with some white spirit vinegar, and I also asked him to fill the powder drawer with some baking powder and a few drops of essential oil. And I find that this helps to keep the washing machine quite fresh. So once he'd put the washing machine on for a spin, we then decided to move on to cleaning the tumble dryer. So the tumble dryer drawer and the tumble dryer does get quite blocked up with lint from the clothes and the sheets and the towels and everything. So it really does need a clean every week. So I do try to clean it off once a week. I don't always remember, but I do try. So the tumble dryer wasn't too bad. There was quite a lot of build up of lint in the filters down the bottom, but the drawer wasn't too bad, and the drawer hole wasn't too bad either. And then I asked Ted to clean inside the drum as well, and then once we'd cleaned inside the drum, I also asked him to clean around the filter hole as well, because that always gets blocked up with dust and dirt. And I also asked him to clean around the door, because this gets filled up with dust and dirt as well. And I think I also asked him to clean the top of the tumble dryer as well, because that does get quite dusty with the lint that comes off the clothes. And now I'm asking him to clean the filter. I don't do this too often, because one of these filters has actually not broken, but some of the material has come away from the plastic on one of these, so I try not to do this too often, but I do like to give it a clean every so often, because I find that it makes it easier and it makes the tumble dryer work better as well once you've cleaned these. So yes, I'd probably do this once every 3 months, I'd say. I just give these a wash under the tap and get rid of all the lint that gets stuck in the plastic bits. Then once those were cleaned, we then put the tumble dryer drawer back into the tumble dryer, and we also put the filters back in as well. So Ted's just going to go and grab the filters. He's going to dry them off before he puts them back in, because they were still a bit damp. Normally I would leave those for a bit longer, but I didn't today, so we had to dry them off. And then once that was done, Ted then cleaned around the area where he was working. He did a very good job at this. He hoovered and he also wiped up any spills that were there as well. And then I asked him to clean out the bucket that he was using to clean with, and I also asked him to put those in the laundry for me, the cloths that he was using, and then I got him to clean the sink as well, and I have to say he did a very good job and I was really pleased. That is the washing machine and tumble dryer cleaned by my son, and I think he's done a fantastic job. It's in good working order again, so I'm really pleased. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.